All the things that I know that your parents don't, they don't care like I do, nowhere like I do.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna do a tutorial on this hair look right here. I took a few pictures not too long ago with this kind of hairstyle and you guys have requested me to do a tutorial on this hairstyle, so here I am doing it for you guys. So let's get right into the tutorial. Starting off with straight hair, of course. My natural hair is straight like this, and you'll need a straightener or a flat iron. You know what I mean, this thing right here. You'll need one. This one is from my mother. I don't even know where she got it. Oh, it says Philips, and yeah, it's really good. I've tried it out a few times and it works for me. So this is what we're gonna use. And while we let this thing heat up, we're gonna section off our hair. So now we sectioned off the hair. You want to put the pieces in front of you, so two sides. You always work one side, other side, you know the deal. So you don't want to take too big of a chunk of hair, just a small piece. And where you get the volume the most is when you really make a great bend in the upper part. So you want to bend your hair to create the volume, and you always bend the hair towards yourself, so not away but to your neck. And let's just do the first one. What I like to do is I twist the whole straightener. I twist it like a 180 degree, I think. And if you see like a wave, a very strong wave towards my neck, and that's how you create the first part. And that's what you want to do with every stroke you're doing, because that's what creates the volume the most. Unless you're not into volume, which I can't imagine you wouldn't, but that's how you get the volume. So make sure that at least that part is very well bent. Honestly, this is not working. You can't see anything, I can't see anything. And maybe it's just way easier if I start in the front for you guys, so you guys can clearly see what I'm doing. So let's do this all over again. You start in the top. You want to keep it close to your roots but not against your roots, because we don't want to burn our heads. And then make sure to make a 180 bend. Don't hold it there for too long. You don't want to break off your hair. And do you see? Wow, wow, I even impressed myself. So what you want to do next is you go into that bend thing. Do I even say that correctly? I don't know, guys. I don't know the correct terms, but you get what I mean. You go into that bend and then you twist it again 180 to the other side, so the opposite way. So first you go in and then you go out. It's really easy. In, out, in, out. The first time you do it, it might seem a bit difficult, but honestly, if you get the feel for it, then it's easy. So then we want to go to the other side again. So now you have one bend, second bend, and then the third bend goes this way again. Do you see it? And the whole technique behind this is that you keep bending in the parts where it makes a natural bend after your last bend. If I'm gonna say bend one more time, oh my god, I will, but you know. So bend it backwards, then you have this part, then in this part you go to this way, At the end you want to hold your hair a bit because it makes it a bit easier. Sometimes at the end I don't even know where to bend it to, but just make it look natural. It doesn't have to be perfect at all. So I would say this is the first one.
Yeah, girl, I wanna get to know ya. 친구 아닌 여자로서
나 우선 식어버린 날 부집혀줘 my baby 부집혀줘 my baby Set me on fire 너가 보고 싶은 날이야 너와 함께면 좋았을 텐데 외롭지 않았을 텐데 이거 모든 게 네 탓이야 너가 보고 싶은 날이야
So we're finally finished with the hair. This is what it looks like. Of course, you can also fine-tune it, so you can either brush it if you want to or just pull your fingers through it. I didn't do anything to it just yet because I don't think it needs any fine-tuning. I like it the way it looks right now. Good luck on trying this yourself. It's very easy, so definitely try it out. It will be a very fun holiday hair look or just like for an everyday look. Yeah, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you in my next video as always. Thank you for watching. Bye!
Showing off, don't wanna have to wait tonight, better off, I'm gonna find my way tonight.